the crew. Bob and the gang have so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Pilchard and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
Have no fear. Archibald is here.
Come and meet Percy the Park Keeper and his many friends in a series of enchanting stories on video.
Morning, Percy. Hello.
Watch as Fox,
Was it while you were counting we were meant to hide?
Badger,
Ready or not, here I come.
Rabbit,
I'm a hare!
and the other animals join in the fun in these light-hearted adventures.
Let's have some fun ourselves.
In the rescue party, whilst having a well-earned day off,
Just making a little picnic for myself.
Percy the Park Keeper is enjoying doing nothing. That is, until one of the rabbits falls down a well. And it's Percy to the rescue. But as usual, things don't turn out quite as expected.
She's turned into a log.
In one snowy night, Percy always feeds the hungry animals in the park where he lives.
I hope you like peanut butter. Do you?
But on one particular cold, snowy night, Percy discovers that his little friends are in need of shelter.
We're sorry to disturb you, Percy, but we've nowhere to sleep tonight.
There seems to be an unexpected guest.
There's something moving under the floor.
In the secret path, it's a beautiful spring morning, and Percy is about to start work on the old overgrown maze.
I've been meaning to fix up the old maze for ages.
His animal friends decide to give him a big surprise.
Let's race Percy there and have some fun. We can play a really good game with him.
But Percy has planned a surprise of his own.
I beg your pardon.
Come on, Percy. Let's get on and get home. That's it for another day.
Start your Percy the Park Keeper collection today.